Hello, my friend. My name is Bruno, and I know everything about this magical world. I arrived to you from a faraway galaxy, and my mission is to tell you everything I know. But hurry, we don't have much time. Let's start. Our first experiment will show you the law of optical refraction. All we need is a soup plate, a coin, and water. We start by putting our coin where we can see it, and then pour some water. Now you can not only see the coin, but also a part of the bottom. This experiment shows peculiarities of optical refraction, as light passes through the boundary of materials with different densities, air and water. All we need for our next trick is a glass of water and a sheet of paper. We will demonstrate the work of atmospheric pressure. Take a glass, cover with a sheet of paper, and turn the glass upside down while firmly pressing the sheet with your hand. Gently remove the hand that supports the sheet. Water from the glass will not be spilled because the sheet will press against the hole. A sheet of paper will create a boundary between water and air. Inside the glass, low pressure is created, which presses the sheet and does not allow the water to escape. And in the end, I have a puzzle for you. Do you know how to get a coin from a dish of water without getting your fingers wet? No? I will show you how. What happened in the glass? Oxygen is required for combustion, but with the glass upside down, it ran out almost instantly, and the matches quickly went out. The hot air started to cool down and correspondingly decrease in volume. In fact, volume of gases depends very much on their temperature. The pressure inside the glass began to fall precipitously, and water from the plate filled the void. In other words, air pressure in the glass fell below the atmospheric pressure, so the atmospheric pressure outside of the glass made the water flow inside. Amazing, isn't it? Did you like our lesson, my dear friend? See you next time! Subscribe to my channel and stay in touch!